Welcome back, fellas, into this new video of TechExpress. Let's talk a little bit more about making a portfolio website with Canva. So I'm going to show you how to use Magic Design, how to generate a layout. I'm going to show you how to add interactive Canva codes, widgets if you want to. So basically, this video will be focused into the latest tools that Canva has to offer to us, which is the Magic Design and the AI layouts. So basically, to get started with an actual portfolio, what I love to use is an actual website inside Canva. So what I wanted to do is that once I have an actual free account, I wanted to click into the element that says Home. Into my Home dashboard, you can see all the recent, let's say, elements that you've been working on. Seeing into the upper static, whether to focus into the element that I would like to generate. For example, let's say that I go for website. So when I hit into the element that says website, it's going to be popping up this new editor mode. And into the editor mode, I can see that here are the different sections of my actual website. Now, we can use Magic Design to generate, let's say, for example, hundreds of actual templates. In my case, let's say, for example, that I wanted to generate one element. Let's say I'm going to hit into the element that says templates. Basically, templates are the reason why Canva is so popular, because what you can do is now to change the templates. You can select an actual template you like the most, and you can, let's say, change it and evolve this as you are generating your own elements. If you don't, you can do this, for example, manually. Into the left section, you can see that we have the Magic Media, and directly into the Magic Media, let's say, for example, that you can generate a Magic Design type. Let's say, for example, that I wanted to generate a minimalistic photography portfolio with high resolution galleries and a contact form. Right, so something else that you can do, I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go directly into Canva AI. Canva AI is a place where you can generate social media stuff, presentations, marketing tools, card invitations, logo, and so much more. So what you can do is to, let's say, select, let's say like this. I'm gonna hit Magic Media. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna copy and I'm gonna paste, and I'm gonna type website. I'm not sure if the Canva AI can generate websites with the AI so far, but basically it can be helping you to generate images. It can help you to generate videos, even so, and like point of view how this actually works. Now, the only elements that I can be telling you about this kind of stuff is that this is only working for Canva Pro. So if you want to stick around with the free version, I can strongly suggest you would stick around here directly through your actual templates. So through your actual template, you can just select the pages that you would like to add the most, and each time you can add the different tools and elements. For example, like this. There we go. I'm going to add a new page. I'm going to go for my templates, my pages. Basically, that will be actually it. Now, once you have added all of the tools that you would like to add directly through your new website, basically what's left to do is just to add, I'm going to hit back, your own information about your website. So what I wanted to do first of all is to select, let's say, for example, whether of enigmatic suspense. I'm going to change this for TechExpress tutorials. And here, what you want to do is to type, for example, your name, like this. It says portfolio. And basically, what we can do is to upload your own images. When you upload your own images, what you can do is to try to change the fact that this is now your actual portfolio. So you want to make this yours. So let's say that I double click directly through my image. I wanted to make this a little bit much more smaller. I want to put this through the center like this, and I want to give them some layout customization tools. So what I can do is to hit for edit, and each time I hit for edit, I'm going to see that we have the adjustments layers. So in my case, for example, since we are making some black and white stuff, I can just go ahead and do that element. So like this. There we go. In my case, for example, you can see that we have a lot of different elements. If you click into positions, I click file layers, and you can see that we have a bunch of elements that were added based into the template that you choose. You might be having less or more elements inside here. So what I would be here, for example, is to choose. I'm going to hold shift. I'm going to select all of the layers that were added here, and I wanted to be changing them and redirect them so that I can see myself and the text. There we go. So it now looks a little more professional, right? So basically what you wanted to do is just to select the template, and inside the template you edit them with your own image, with your own stuff, with your own elements, and you don't have to do absolutely anything else, right? So inside here, let's assume, for example, that I have now all my work inside this element. So what I wanted to go for is for publish my actual website. Into the right section you have your site address, which is totally for free. If you wanted to add a new address without the Canva site, you might need to pay for that. So since we are sticking around with the free version, what are just to focus for Tech Express portfolio. And as you can see, we can use this. So if I go for published, my website will be redesigned and generated right away. So that means that it's going to be giving me an actual new domain that I can use to present to all my clients. And basically, it's a really easily way of how we can actually make the interactive mode. Now there is a Canva code that you can see here into applications. There's Canva code. This is for more advanced people that if you are, let's say for example, working with coding, you can just generate them to coding for accessible website. You can copy and paste this website and you can just edit it, for example, into WordPress, into Shopify, and so much more. I'm going to be focusing only for the design of my portfolio, and that will be actually it. But if you want to check more stuff, you can check out directly into the applications, and there's tons of texts that you can just add, edit, or even discover directly here through Canva. Right, so basically that will be actually it, guys. So this is like a pro level portfolio built into minutes, no hosting fees, no coding, just the best work design, and you're actually good to go. So if you wanted to see how to buy a custom domain, you can let us know in the comments below. We basically have tons of tutorials on how we can actually do these elements with different applications and different sources. So you can let us know in the comments below. Thank you once again for watching the video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hopefully we can see you all next time.